The warm-up. Who's gonna go the longest? He's looking at you, Nate, like, get in.
He's breathing hard and everything.
No more breathing hard, but he's out.
He looked at E like, what is that? What you doing?
I'm chilling.
Move it. Elijah, move.
Come on over.
Yeah, get in.
Yeah, like that, Phil. Hands.
Philip, all the professionals sat down. Camille, you're still up.
Professional.
Look, Philip's trying to sit down. He's like, I'm going to sit next to, I'm waiting.
Tutorial.
Do you want to explain to the people what this is, what they're seeing?
Oh, this is going to be a long video? I thought we were going to do a short tutorial video.
Well, they need to see, they need to see the beginning.
Anthony was looking for somewhere to go and praise the Lord tonight, so I invited him to my praise session. All right, so this is what's going on right now, is we're in the middle of a praise session. Then I noticed Anthony's moves as he was shouting.
You can't expose him.
Huh? I'm sorry. But I thought we were going to do a tutorial, so I thought it was going to be exposed anyway. But we found out that the shout is really just a fancy two-step. So if you can go like this, you can shout. All right? So it's a simple two-step like this. Then you go like this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You got the footwork? Okay, because that's the important thing. So 1, 1. But it goes.
It's so easy, a baby can do it.
1. Now the next thing, y'all got that? So 1. Yeah. Okay, come on now. You gonna do it with me? Yeah. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you know, it's simple, right? Simple. And all you have to really, in fact, in some days, he just goes like this. But the hands are going and the body is moving, right? So it looks like something's really happening, but it's really just a two-step. All right, you ready? We're going to let the professional show you now. Your turn.
Right. That's on you.
All right. So no need to keep the camera on him if he's not going to talk. Are you going to talk and tell us the song you're going to... Okay.
No shout out to what's your favorite. What are you listening to these days? What really moves your soul?
Oh, well, this interlude by Chris here, the Celestial Soul.
Blesses his soul.
To the utmost?
Come on. Oh, my class.
He needs this, yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You see? And then he just moves all over the place. Anybody can do it now. You see how simple this is? 1.
Not quite.
Jesus, you make my heart beat.
Yeah, more of a nutcracker.
So, we saw that now. Now what we're going to do is, this is called follow the leader.
Absolutely.
Except for he sat down. So when he gets back up, we're going to play follow the leader. We'll show you how to do a shout line dance. All right? You ready?
Philly's ready.
You heard our cue. Don't push me, because I'm ready to go in. Don't. Tell me if you're going to kick.
Dad, there's a tutorial they're making right now.
See,
on how to shout. Do we get the line?
Easily. I'm not doing a lot of work. I'm talking, and I'm not out of breath. See, normally I'd be like, whoo, Jesus, I would do the jump number, and I'm out. But you can see, okay, he didn't really do anything for us to do the, you know, the line dance for you. He just switched his feet up. I was on track. It was, okay, there we go. Now, to the left now, y'all. To the right, to the left, to the back, to the side, and switch.
My baby some room.
All right, so
Yeah,
thank you
good.
guys for watching.
Billy's like, yeah, I'm done. He was the advanced one because he was spinning with his.
Oh, he was spinning. Okay,
Yeah.
well, we'll do one with him next time. So our expert, Anthony Perry, and
Thank
I was
you.
your instructor.
Thank
So thank you all. Have a blessed evening.
Thank you.
Terrible. I don't post.